see, 'cause I think I do when you're next to me. Girl, I'm looking at a face I don't recognize.
Not Elsa.
Now I what it is.
Ganito na lang kayo. Are you happy now?
Go now.
Girl, I'm looking at a face I don't recognize.
Guys, nabihisan ko na si Holly. Show your outfit, Baba. Go, stand up. Ano kaya ba? Ayan, ice cream na. Ayaw niya ipa-erase yung kanyang makeup. And i-haul ko lang sa inyo yung mga nabili ko nung nag-grocery ako. Ito yung mga chocolates. Silalagay na namin dito sa trick or treat na bowl. Okay, we have, what do you want? Sneakers, ayan.
Oh, this is Dad's favorite.
What's that? Chomp.
Yeah, Dad likes salt.
Ayan, chomp. Sister, come here. Starburst.
Look at some more.
Oh, sister ko. Nagdadaya na siya, oh. Naglalagay na raw siya sa kanyang...
More Fredo. No, we're
Fredo.
gonna do this quick.
Yeah. Yeah. Nagmamadali na kami. Ito, Fredo.
More Fredo.
Strawberry.
Now Maltesers.
Show it, Baba.
Maltesers.
Maltesers. Ayun.
Mom, did you get any skids?
Ano yun?
It doesn't look like you got any skids.
Skittles, I do have.
Yay! How many did you get? Mama, some more.
Skittles. Here.
Yeah, Skittles. No, I'm putting some in my basket.
Alright.
More salt.
That's enough for now because it's full. Ayan, puno na siya, guys. Haluin lang natin siya. Okay.
Let's have some bit more Skittles.
Yeah, that's for later na, kuya. I-hold na lang natin yan mamaya. Because we have to go. Okay, put this in the bin, please.
I'm
Okay,
having
let's go.
one chomp.
Okay. Okay, what do you want, Baba? Okay. Meron ng laman yung kanilang basket. Okay, come on. Come on. Picturean ko lang sila. Come on, Baba. Si Kuya, ayaw niya talaga, oh. Buti na lang na-convince ko siya na wag na tuluyang alisin yung kanyang mga stitches dyan sa mukha. Ayan na. Ayan na si Zach, guys. So are you, Zach?
Swamp zombie.
Yeah, swamp zombie. Yes, yeah.
My first.
You first. No, all of you. Come on. Si
Oh,
Kuya.
in the middle.
Holly in the middle.
Yeah, Holly.
Okay, where's your basket? Yeah.
I'm trick-or-treating.
You don't want it. Si Kuya na talaga.
Give it paper.
Alright. Okay, smile.
I don't have to smile.
Ay, sorry. Oh nga naman. Holly. Holly, you smile, Baba.
What's that smelling?
No, it's alright. Smile, Baba. Ka, Kuya. Okay. Yung dalawa kasi naka-costume yung dalawa. Okay. Baba, hurry up. Here, Zach. Holly, stay there. Ito yung ice cream na nakakatakot. Okay, come on, Zach. Tapos na kayo mag-pictorial. Ayan, may nakita silang kaibigan. Ayun, nagbabike. Come on. Dito na kami sa golf course. Golf club. Ayaw naman nilang bumaba. Pero na si Kuya, sabi niya, mauna ka na sa... Come on, Holly.
Someone yell first and come back and get up. I'm standing.
Sabi ni Kuya, tingnan mo muna doon, tapos pag merong tao,
Trick-or-treating here.
kunin mo dito sa... Come on. Come on. Oh, see? There's some people. Come on.
Oh, Ivy.
Come on. Is that Ivy?
Yeah, Ivy.
Okay, let's go. Yes, baby.
I'm not going in. You should go in there.
Come on. Ayan na. Ayaw pa nilang pumasok. Maya-maya na lang daw pag meron ng mga tao. Pero meron ng mga pumasok. Ayan.
Mommy, can we just play around?
Yes, baby. What are you doing, Zach? I know. Ayan yung silang tatlo. Oh. Ayaw pa nilang pumasok eh. Ayan na yung zombie natin, oh. Yung zombie natin, oh. Tingnan nyo yung sapatos niya. That's for the farm, Zaki?
It's alright.
Ha? It's alright. Hanapin nyo si Sak. Ando na si Sak sa taas ng puno, tsaka si Kuya. Baba, no! You can't, Baba! No! No, you can't. At saka yung kaibigan nilang isa andun din sa taas. Di pa rin sila pumapasok. Baba, you can't, Baba! Ayan. Baba, no. No, no, come here. Sak, parang marupok ang ano. Mga sanga-sanga. Si Sak, parang ano ka na rin, Sak. Parang ano yun?
Mommy, I'll be careful.
Yung nagtatago sa mga gubat.
Mommy, I'll be careful.
Hindi siya makita, oh. Kuya mo. Hoy, Baba, no, you can't. Come on.
Kuya!
No, 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 come here. Okay. Careful, careful. Papasok na sila. Asa?
I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get boring. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. Will you stay even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna mess around. You're the only one I want there at the end of my story. The only thing I figured out, 'cause everything else in my life without you would be boring. And we'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. I don't wanna let you down. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shone. I should've told you that I loved you one more time. One more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time.
You got it!
You every night, oh that's on my mind.
Balik sila dito. Si Kuya andun sa likod eh. Ayaw ni Kuya.
I loved you. One more time, one more time.
Good job, son!
Would you stay?
Ayaw pang tumigil mo. Hindi natin kaya nun isa.
From the start. Don't say it's okay if I'm I'm falling, and you're running away. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shone.
What are you gonna do? Stop dance?
One more time, one more time.
Game na game si Sak. Asa na si Sak? You got sausage, Papa? Good job. Pinatanggal niya muna yung kanyang ice cream kasi baka raw madumihan. Yeah, later after you eat, okay? Okay.
One more time. I should've told you that I loved you.
Guys, nanalo si Holly. Best in costume siya. At saka yung may dalawa pa, tatlo sila.
Day one. Tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Company. How you still a 10 with the one for me? You get off at 6, you should come vibe. Play your favorite song, singing all of me. I'm just tryna build forever. Ain't no storm we can't weather. When the sun goes down, I'll still be around for you. Here for all of that, yeah. No, I got you back, yeah. You my right hand, but I ring the match. On your left hand, you my better half. Lost in your love and I can't get back now. Fight for your heart and I will not back down. Baby, won't you come with me? I'm just tryna chill. I'm just tryna live with my day one. Tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with day one. Ain't no INT. Honey, I'm down. But tell me if you are. Now, let's not make it hard. I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately, 'cause you feel so. I know that you're feeling something. I know that this could be love. I know that you ain't so trusting, but I feel so. Let's just take this back for a minute. We can make this what we've been living. And I know you hurt as well, darling, we can be ourselves. Let's just take this back for a minute. Now, ready, set, go. I can tell it's time. Close, your body next to mine. Hey, I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act.
Nanalo na naman si Holly. Isa siya sa magaling na dancer. Wow! Ito yung daddy niya.
You win.
Daddy's asking you if you win.
Walking around the streets now.
Guys, nakauwi na kami ng bahay. And si Kuya, nauna sila ni daddy niya. Kasi sinundo si Kuya ni Jan. Kasi gusto niya sumama kay daddy sa, ano ba, sa town. And ayan na, oh. Namimigay na siya ng lollies. Thank you. Sa gusto niya maghanap ng kasama. How about you, Ya? What you gonna do? Ha? Yan lang daw ang gagawin niya, oh. Mamigay siya ng lollies. Si Sak. Sak, punuin ko na lang yan, Sak. Sak, I put a lot of lollies. You don't have to walk. He wants to walk, Han.
Well, go.
Go!
Yeah, you're right. Go on.
Just go with the other kids.
No, Ollie's going home. But they're all down there. There's heaps of them somewhere.
Yeah, ang dami.
They've already been here. No one was home.
Oh, kasi nagparty yung mga bata. Si Holly, ando na siya kay Charlie. Is it Charlie, ha?
Charlie.
Yeah, Charlie. Yan si Sako. Kumuha siya ng lollies kay Charlie. Anak to ni Tommy. Ano na, Baba? You got lollies. Say, Sia. Samahan ko raw sila.
Bye, Dad! I told you we walk.
Okay.
Oh, there's lots of people.
I know. Sabi ko, punuin ko na lang yan. Ayaw niya na, ma'am.
Let's walk on the road.
Hello.
Hi.
Have a good Halloween. Hopefully you get lots of.
Thank you. You too.
So look here.
Da, Baba? May clown. Ayan, oh, may nakabantay. Sak. Okay. Nan? Ah! Natakot siya. Hala, Sak. Wala na. Ubus na. Oh, marami na kasing batang dumaan dito. Oh. Hala. Come on, Ali. Si Sak ayun, oh. Where is he? Here. Ha? Pasok kami. Dati, pumasok na kami dito sa bahay na ito. Come on, Zach.
Oh, that's funny. Skeleton guy, he looks pretty good too.
Ang ganda dito, guys. So, ang daming choices. Thank you. Thank you. There's a drink, Baba. Do you want some? Social dito, may pa-coke. O, diba? Just share with Holly. Baba, you just share, okay? Because you're not gonna finish it. You just share.
I'll finish it.
Oh, yeah.
I'll finish it. I'll drink them all.
Okay, put in your bucket. Say thank you. Are you done here? You're done?
More lollies?
You want more lollies? Zach, you want more lollies?
We've had quite a few kids go through, so there's not a lot left.
There's a lot.
Not much left.
No.
We've had a whole lot.
Oh,
Yes,
ang
get
cute.
some of them. There's plenty there.
Why does it all? This is not grocery, okay? Okay, thank you so much. See you next year. Say hi. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Say hello. Happy Halloween.
I don't have much left, but you're
It's alright. Say thank you.
good job.
Thank you.
Well done.
Say, like,
Zach, is that you under there?
yes, that's Zachary.
Where's TJ?
Si Kuya na ang lumalapit sa mga bata. Ayan na.
Charlie just tipped his old thing into mine, like.
Did he?
Yeah, and I gave him some chocolate.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Ayan, kumuha na sila. Bye, Kuya.
Charlie already gave me that.
Kuya, mahulog. Anong hinahanap mo, Kuya? Ang dami mo dyan.
That got all the good ones.
Okay, let's go.
That got all the good ones.
Okay, see ya. See ya, ya. Okay. I love you daw, kuya. Doon na si Kuya. Inside, having a shower, Baba. Come on. So, kami na lang tatlo ang naglalakad.
Mom, that house looks gross.
Oh, don't say, no, don't say that. Okay, it's alright. Come on. Kumatok na siya. Maybe they're not doing it. Come on, Papa. Kasi minsan, ang ibang bahay, wala naman silang, hindi ba sila sumasali sa mga ganito? Oh, okay, okay. It's open now, Papa.
Bring a train! You guys!
Hi!
Nice. This is creepy. Trick or treat!
Hi! Thank you! Okay, come on.
Trick or treat!
Hi! Good, thank you.
Would you like to grab some? So cute. How are you, Holly? Good? Yeah. Are you getting a few things?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's enough, Baba.
You can have one.
Thank you. There, bye-bye. Oh, if there's dog, Baba. Oh. How you gonna knock? Ha? Guys, dito na kami sa bahay. And si Kuya, andyan pa rin siya.
second, I had to put more in there.
Did you? Ah, nagbukas na raw siya. And kay Holly, ayan yung kanyang
Someone nearly took
bucket.
all the Maltesers. Mommy, can I eat one
Oh,
now?
the big kids.
Can I eat one now? They're just grabbing it.
So, eto yung binuksan ni Kuya. Is this the one you
I'm
open?
gonna quickly go to that two-story and get some can and some.
Ha?
Go down to that two-story. Probably do 2 houses. Get some.
Okay. Punta si Kuya dun sa magandang bahay, yung may pa-soft drinks.
Mommy, come on, one more.
Ito yung may pa-soft drinks ba? Punta siya doon. Yung bahay na yon, yung may pa-soft drinks. Yes, baby. Sila talaga ang the best na namimigay ng mga lolis kasi may pa-soft drinks pa talaga sila. At saka ang ganda talaga sa loob ng bahay kasi yung talaga, mafe-feel mong Halloween talaga. Pero hindi ko masyadong blinag yung marami silang mga marami pa silang mga decoration dun sa side. Pero kinunan ko lang yung nasan yung mga lolis. So si Jan, kumuha siya ng pizza. Ah, okay. Ihiraw yung bata. Okay. So eto pa yung mga tirang chocolates, guys. Ayan, may Bounty, Milky Way, and cherry ripe. Tapos, ito yung mix special treats. Ito. And, paborito ni Jan daw to, sabi ni Kuya, yung champ. Mars. Swirl. Special treats. Special treats. And special treats. So, yan pa yung mga natirang chocolates. So, balik natin to. So, yan. Dito na to sa bahay. And, merong natirang konti, oh. And, ito pa yung nabuksan ni Kuya. Ilan ba yung nabuksan ko kanina? So, ito pa yung additional. No, that's enough, Baba.
Now, so I don't know what other houses I could go to.
How about the house with the soft drinks? Did you go there?
Went there, no more soft drinks. Oh, wait.
But, did you get any lollies? Let me see.
Not much.
It's alright. Oh, binigyan siya ni Holly.
George's house today, Holly? Yeah. Okay, I'm going there.
Oh my God, Kuya. Dito na si Jan.
Still in the box. No, already.
Pinakita ni Holly yung mga lollies niya. Where's TJ?
Yeah.
Trick or treat yan.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Put some trousers on, it's freezing out there.
I know.
Now look at that.
Huli na si Kuya. And may dala si Jan na. Ito yung dinner namin. Pizza. Pizza. And nakapaghugas na rin ako ng mga ginamit ng mga bata. Ayan. Linabang ko to kasi very sticky. Ang ingay na.
One ain't mine, then now the other one in. That's right, Moth, mate. Nice heads up.
Hawaiian? What's the other one,
Where'd
Han?
you get Sprite from?
From the house.
From the house. Yes, best costume si Holly. What's that one? Meat lover?
Cheese.
Pepperoni and cheese.
Do you want Hawaiian?
You want Hawaiian, Baba?
Good girl.
Okay.
Hi, mate.
Hi, Kuya.
Bucket
Wow.
in 20 minutes.
Well done, yeah. By yourself?
But I went 3 houses with
Who are you with?
Cody for 3 houses and the rest by myself.
Oh, good job, yeah. Akala ko ayaw mo. Tingnan mo.
Peyton just threw lollies everywhere. I'm like,
Puno, oh.
and then Peyton threw one and landed right in there.
Ang dami. Mas marami. Sak, mas marami si Kuya. They're gonna share with you, Saki boy. Okay?
Look at my tripod.
You got lost too, mate.
I saw
Not
Lucy.
much.
I saw Lucy.
Kumakain na si Kuya. Si Sak, hindi pa siya kumakain. Silang tatlo lang. And tingnan nyo talaga yung bucket ni Kuya. Punong-puno. And tingnan nyo, may bagong Skittles. Ito siguro ano lang to for Halloween. Oh, punong-puno. Ayan yung soft drinks.
They
Oh.
stayed at Peyton's. Wait, Dad,
Yeah.
Dad, mate.
Kain muna kami, guys.
Charlie.
Guys, tapos na kami kumain. And yung kanina pala na pinuntahan namin na Halloween party, meron siyang $10 entrance per head. Pero may kasama na siyang drinks, sausages, and what else, Kuya?
Super Dupers, ice cream,
Yes.
drinks.
Yeah, and then marami silang pag-games. And kanina, meron akong mga nakitang pag-games nila, pero nung kalahati na pinalabas na kami kasi ang dami ng bata dahil nga 'di ba sa pandemic. So parang hindi pa pwedeng maraming tao sa loob ng hall. So pinalabas yung mga parents. So maraming games, yung iba hindi ko na napanood. Si Kuya may sinalihan siya. Did you join?
I joined some. I did
What?
musical statues, a race.
Hindi ko rin napanood.
I had to run quickly because I had to give a can to you. My can.
Okay. What else? Si Sak tsaka si Holly sumasayaw, nakunan ko pa yun kasi pwede pa kami sa loob.
I got a ball.
That's Kuya. Kuya gave you some.
want one here like these.
Ah, hindi daw ito masarap, guys. So, na-enjoy nila. Did you enjoy, Kuya?
Yeah.
How about you, Sak?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy? So, yun
And-
lang, guys, yung ano, what else
And
yeah?
Holly
Ah.
won the parade costume.
Best costume.
Best costume, and there was 3 of them. It was Holly and some other
Two girls, yes.
This is
And,
what she won.
yeah, maraming prizes. Pero si Holly, ito yung pinili niya. Why did you choose this, Baba? Kasi may pink.
Because Claire wanted me to choose this.
Did you?
I wanted to play with that.
Kasi marami talaga. May pencil case, tapos may mga books, marami. So, pero eto daw sabi ni Kuya. But, yun na guys. So, ang gagawin namin ay, ang gagawin ko pala, pag may update kaming vlogs, i-edit ko siya agad para hindi na siya malate. Tapos, yung mga late vlogs ko, yun na lang talaga ang magiging late. So, tatapusin ko yun. So, after nito, balik ako sa late vlogs. Then, sa November 13, may bisita tayo. So, magiging updated ulit ako before November 13. Yun na guys, yung ating vlog for today. Thank you. Come on, Baba. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet.
See
our
you
next vlog. And don't forget to watch.
All things Holly.
Chona's Kitchen.
Yes, yung All Things Holly kasi may ginawa sila dun sa channel ni Holly. Okay, Sak, see ya, Sak.
Bye.
Bye, guys.